Welcome to our review of the Amazon Echo Dot, 5th generation 2022 release. This little device might be small in size, but it's packed with impressive features. Amazon claims this is their best-sounding Echo Dot yet, and users seem to agree. It delivers clearer vocals, deeper bass, and a more vibrant sound compared to previous models. Whether you want to stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks from platforms like Amazon Music, Apple Music, or Spotify, this Echo Dot has got you covered. You can even use it as a Bluetooth speaker for seamless audio throughout your home. Of course, the Alexa voice assistant remains one of the biggest draws. Alexa is there to help with everything from weather updates to setting hands-free timers and even telling a joke or two. With the tap-to-snooze feature, those extra few minutes in bed just got easier. Plus, this version comes with smart home controls that allow you to automate routines using built-in motion and temperature sensors. You can even pair it with the Amazon Smart Thermostat for a truly integrated home experience. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique capabilities. But is it perfect? Some users find that while the sound quality is great for the size, it may not compete with larger, more premium speakers. However, at its price point, it offers fantastic value for those looking to upgrade their smart home setup without breaking the bank. And with Amazon's commitment to privacy, including a mic off button, you can use it with peace of mind. Overall, the Echo Dot 5th generation is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful smart speaker. If you're ready to transform your space with a new level of convenience, click the link below for testimonials, exclusive offers, and fast delivery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech reviews like this one.